Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy S21 in the Fan Edition. Yeah, the first thing I want to show you is if you're in a meeting or something like this and you forgot to put your phone on silence, there's an easy way to put it on mute if someone is calling. Let me show you how this works. So someone is calling and I just put the phone with the display on the table and it will silence the call immediately. And also, if I'm ready again and picking up my phone again, it will give me a little vibration. Could you hear that? And then I know, okay, I have some calls or missed messages and so on. This is already a default setting, so you don't have to set it up, by the way. The next mode I want to show you is the one-handed mode, because the phone is too large to use it with just one hand and so on. And there's a way to make the screen a bit smaller by just swiping down here the home button, and then you will have here the mini screen. Don't worry if it doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable it first. I will show you it in the next step. And you can do all the stuff you want to do. You can play games and so on. It's just on the mini screen right now. If you want to finish it, just tap on you on the outside, by the way. Okay, but how to enable this feature? For that, just scroll down here, go to the symbol for the settings. And you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And if you scroll down a bit, you will have here the point One-Handed Mode. Just enable this feature so that it's marked blue here. And by the way, if you tap on One-Handed Mode here, then you will have also some instructions again. So just swipe down here the home button, then you will have the One-Handed Mode. By the way, if you're left-handed, you have also the chance here with the arrow to put it on the other side. So a very nice way to navigate, as I said, completely here in the phone. You can play games and so on, whatever you want to do. And yeah, if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, just tap here on the outside and you're back in the regular mode. And the next feature I want to show you is for the camera, because you can quick launch the camera by just double tapping the power button and you're immediately at the camera without wasting time and so on, looking for the camera app and so on. And also very great, also if your phone is on standby. Also then, if you double press the power button, you're immediately at the camera and don't waste time with unlocking the screen and so on and so on. No, you are immediately at the camera and may you have your great picture with. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is also something for the camera, or better for the pictures you did with the camera. Let me take a picture first here with 2 coins. Okay. And I want to show you something to edit the picture. So let's go on the picture, and if you want to edit it, you have here the nice opportunity with the pen. Okay, first of all, you can crop a part of the picture if you have a bit too much on there and you want to focus on something special. And yeah, you can also mirror it if you want, so that's on the other side and so on. But I want here the 3 points. I want to show you something here at the 3 points, because we have some more opportunities here. We can erase objects, and this is pretty cool. Okay, first of all, we will have to mark the object we want to remove. Okay, and then go on erase. And now the coin is gone, as you can see. Also, if we have a structure here, so it is almost invisible that there has been something, you know, before, after, before, after. So you can really do nice stuff with, and also, yeah, you can remove people with that who are on the photo and you don't want to have them on the photo and so on. And very nice if you are in touristic areas and so on. And there are many people, but you just want to have yourself in front of the building or something like this. Now you can use that, a very nice feature. And the next feature I want to show you is about cloning apps, because you can have on the phone 2 WhatsApp accounts. And here, why not? You can enter 2 SIM cards. Why not having 2 WhatsApp accounts? So you can have 2 Facebook accounts if you want on the phone, without switching always between in the app. No, you can have 2 apps. Well, let me show you now how you can have these 2 apps. For that, just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings. then we need again here the point advanced features. And if you scroll down a bit here, you will have the point dual messenger. So first of all, you will see here a list which apps on your phone are supported with that feature. And then just enable here the first point, go on install, confirm maybe something if you're doing it for the very first time. And then you will have 2 WhatsApp accounts on your phone. Let's do it also for the other apps here on my phone. And yeah, by the way, apropos Facebook and Messenger, you have also light versions from Facebook and for the Messenger also light version. This feature is not supported for these light apps, so don't worry. So you need the full app here, but I will explain something later again for that. And yeah, let's have a look how it looks like. So if you go now in the app drawer, this is my main Facebook account, and this one is the second one. Same with WhatsApp, main WhatsApp account, second one. And as you can see, you can always recognize the clone here with the orange mark here at the corner. Same Snapchat, and here is the second Snapchat account. And as you can see, I have already on my phone here a light version of Facebook. So that means, by the way, if you clone the main Facebook app, you can have 3 Facebook accounts. This is what I wanted to tell you. So just download then the Facebook app and the Facebook Lite version here. Then you can have 3 accounts here on your phone. And you can also split the screen here with that phone. So for that, we will need here the 3 bars. So the recent tabs. So here we have also your recently opened tabs. Okay, if I go now here on the top on the icon, I can go here on open in split screen view. If you haven't opened an app before, you can now choose another one. Maybe let's take here Chrome, and that means that you can be at the Google App Store and at the Chrome browser at the same time, or watching YouTube here on the top and do something else below. So a very nice mode. And by the way, if one of these apps needs a bit more space, you can arrange it a bit like this. Swipe the 3 points here a bit more down or up, depends which app you want to have a bit bigger. And then yeah. And then if you want to continue maybe here just with the Google Chrome browser, then you just swipe it up like this and you have just the app here from below at the full screen. The opposite would be, if you want to have the app up, you just scroll the 3 points down and you will have the other app. And there's another nice cool thing here, the recent tabs. Let me go there again, because if you tap now here again on the icon, you can open also the app in a pop view, in a pop-up view. So that means that you have a little pop-up window here. Also a nice way to watching YouTube next to doing your stuff here on the phone. And what's also pretty cool, if you go here on the blue bar, you have some more settings. Like this one, you can make this one almost invisible, as you can see. So also a nice mode. And yeah, you can also make it smaller or put it just like an icon here to open it whenever you want and so on. So or put it on big here again, full view. Yeah, a nice mode here as well. And if you want, you can also make a picture of the screen. Just use the power button and the volume down button press these both buttons just for short together and you will have a screenshot. After you can edit here the screenshot or share directly with WhatsApp Messenger and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, as we have learned, we can crop here a part of the picture. We can also draw something inside, by the way, or highlight something very useful. After you can share this edited part here or save it with the arrow here to your gallery. And there's a second way to take a screenshot. For that, we need just the edge of our palm, swipe it across the screen, and you are having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge off your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you are having a screenshot as well. This requires a bit training at the beginning, but I'm sure you can do that. And if you want, you can also record your screen actions, so you can make a video of the screen. And for that, we will need the built-in screen recorder. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will have here the screen recorder. So tap on it. And first of all, you have to set up the sound source. So if you want to have no sounds, if you want to have just the media sound, so the sound from the app, or if you want to have next to also the microphone. After you have selected the sound source, just go and start recording. Then you see here the countdown, and then you will have this little tool here. Okay, our screen recording have started already. Now you can record the actions and so on, also in games and so on. And yeah, what is pretty cool here? You're having a pen here as well, and you can highlight something or draw something inside. Very nice for tutorials and so on, by the way. And yeah, with arrows here, you can remove it. And also pretty cool, if you want to make some recordings, maybe for YouTube in games or something like this, you can add also your face here with a front cam and so on. Also pretty cool. And yeah, the rest is to pause the video. I think you know this already, and continue the video, or to stop it here completely. Then the tool is gone as well, but you can have it always back here, the shortcuts. Let me show you some more stuff. Scroll down again. If you go here on the written word, by the way, works also, by the way, for other icons here. If you go here on the written word, then you have some more options. You can set up the sound source again. You can set up the video quality, also very important. So if you have a very simple video and so on, you can save a bit memory at the storage to select just the medium quality or something like this. And if you go on details, you have also some other options like maybe the selfie video size and so much more. Yeah, and where to find the screenshots and screencasts after, of course, here at the gallery. And at the pictures, we have the pictures and the screenshots and so on. But at the category albums, the screenshots as well as the screen recordings have their own folder just for screenshots and screen recordings. And that's a better overview. Here we are already at the last point of the video. It's Bixby Vision. It's a very intelligent system. And yeah, that means that you can maybe hold your phone on a flower. The phone will tell you which flower it is then, or you hold your phone on a building and the phone will tell you a bit more about the building. You can translate some stuff, which is the reason why the book is here, and so much more. Very nice tool. Let me show you a bit more about. Let's go here on the camera, then go here on more. And here we will need this point, Bixby Vision. So let's confirm. Maybe you have to do an update first. If you do that, so let me show you first with the magnification here a bit. Prepared already battery. I don't know. So it should tell us a bit more about the battery. Let's have a look if you recognize the battery. Yes, you can recognize the battery. So it tells us with pictures what it is. And look for similar entries in the World Wide Web, or let's take a pen here maybe. We can tell us a bit more about the pen. It's a bit fast. So one more try. So you recognize also the pen and tells us a bit more about, but the system is still in progress. So we should give Bixby Vision a bit more time, but the most incredible is here the translating tool, because if I put now here the phone on a book, it will give us a live translation of the book. It auto detects the language, what is amazing. So I didn't enter that it's German, so it is a German book here, and give us immediately the German book here in English. So pretty cool. And if I tap here on the text symbol, I can extract the text with that, and I can copy it immediately. I can translate it immediately. So very awesome for studies, very awesome also for holidays if you're in a restaurant or something like this. A very useful tool. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video here. I hope I could show you some new tips and tricks here for your phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.